or not, it's 2026. Now, whenever I say 2026, I'm thinking about a sci-fi movie that I must be in or something. 2026 is one of those dates that it seems like something happens in the future. That's when the Martians landed, or when we mastered interstellar space travel. You know, we need a 5-year mission that starts in 2026 or something. I don't know. That's just one of those dates. It just seems like it's not going to be that long. It's going to be 2036. What's the world going to be looking like then? Well, I don't know. But today, the world looks like we got a year to plan for RV stuff, fun in our RV that we're going to be doing, and we've got some ideas for you guys already. We're going to tour a brand new Texas State Park, and those don't happen every day. They happen every decade, just about, that kind of thing. And as soon as that's open, we're going to be going there. We're going to go to a couple of parks that I've never been to that are really cool and exotic parks. I can't wait to do that. We've got some plans for a couple of upgrades that you're either going to like or you're going to think, well, that's dumb, why are you doing that? And we want to hear about that if that's the way you feel in the contents. All right, now let's see, is there anything else I want to do? Nope, we got a lot of stuff going on. And don't forget, when all this happens, golly, like and subscribe and comment and share. And if you comment, we really love it. We love hearing what you want us to do or what you think about what we're doing. And when you like and share, that tells YouTube that we're, I don't know, popular or something, and that helps a small content creator like us more than you could possibly ever realize. That's really why we do it, is to get those like and subscribes. It doesn't seem like it's a big deal, but it really is. So with that, we're going to leave you for now. It is January 2nd. We're already planning everything, where we're going to go, what we're going to do. I can't wait. You going to come with us? Great.